For the front and rear suspension, we're going with Toytec Lift's Boss Performance Kit. The front coilovers and the rear shocks both have remote reservoirs, really coming in handy for dampening with all the weight that we have in the truck. While we're swapping the rear axle, we're making a major upgrade in the control arm department. So Total Chaos Fabrication makes these adjustable upper and lower control arms, as well as an adjustable pan hard bar. So what these do is after you lift, correct your pinion angle from your drive shaft to your differential, as well as help recenter your axle. What I really like about this design is that one side is a polyurethane bushing and the other is the adjustable heim, so you get adjustability and comfort. New rear axle in, it's time to install the new suspension. So we're going again with Toytec Boss Performance coilovers with a remote reservoir. Coilover gets mounted in the stock location and the reservoir gets kicked out right behind it on the frame. While I have the suspension out, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall these Total Chaos upper control arms and put in some new polyurethane bushings. It's going to make this thing ride a lot better.